Sabi ni Jesus, I delight to do your will, my Father. Kaya naman ang tatay, sabi niya, this is my beloved Son, in whom I am well pleased. Kaya doon pa lang ang susi, alam natin, ito kalooban ng Diyos. Kaya deep within your heart, alam mo, ito masasabi mo, whom have I in heaven but you? Besides you, I desire nothing on earth. Lord, wala na po akong ibang gusto dyan sa langit kundi kayo. Kung di kayo, kahit sa lupa, wag na lang. I pray that all of us in this room, and even for those who are watching online, I pray that we will not just be desiring to come and listen out of duty every Sunday, but really desiring, Lord, I want to know you because besides you, I desire nothing on earth. Sa totoo, ang dami natin gusto sa lupa. At hindi sa Diyos. And sometimes we're struggling. Why? Because hindi talaga natin kilala ang Diyos. Kasi if we do know God, ito lang masasabi natin, taste and see that the Lord is so good. Amen po?